After constructing the road network, we can input traffic flow to run a simple simulation. We can open the vehicle composition in the menu bar. We can select different vehicle type and ratio. Here we will use the default vehicle composition. Then we select the traffic input toolbar. Right-click the start point of the road link. And a pop-up window for adding a vehicle generation point will appear. Initially, we will simply simulate an unsignalized intersection, so we will set the traffic flow to a relatively low value first. In the number of vehicles, set the value to 1200 vehicles per hour. Then we right-click the links of other vehicle generation road segments in sequence to add traffic flow for other approach lanes. The properties of the traffic input can inherit all the settings configured by the user last time. After setting the traffic flow, we can directly click the Start Simulation toolbar to run a simple simulation first. During the simulation, we can dynamically adjust the simulation speed for accelerated simulation via the simulation parameter setting in the simulation tools. Since no traffic lights are set, traffic conflicts will occur between vehicles coming from different directions. We can also set different vehicle colors in the visualization tools. In this case, we can set the color of vehicles by vehicle speed. Then we can see that vehicles in the conflict zone will display different colors based on their respective speeds. At this time, when vehicles yield at the intersection, they follow the software's default priority rule. We can click the conflict relationship settings and then right-click the conflict zone. Then a pop-up window will display all lane connector relationships within the connector area. Green indicates priority, while red indicates give way. The initial settings follow the software's default conflict relationship. We can also adjust the conflict relationship between any lane connectors. The interface also has quickly tools, which allow us to quickly set the entire intersection area to equal priority. Then we right-click Start Simulation to view results under the new conflict relationship. At this point, we can see that under the equal priority conflict relationship, all vehicles follow this rule when entering the conflict zone. The vehicle that arrives at the conflict point first has the right of way.